Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Regions detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding your financial goals. Identify your income sources. Track your monthly income from all sources. Next, list your fixed expenses. Include rent or mortgage payments. Factor in utilities like electricity and water. Now, list your variable expenses. Include groceries and dining out. Account for entertainment, shopping, and hobbies. Consider irregular expenses as well. These can be car maintenance or medical bills. Once you have all your expenses listed, categorize them. Separate fixed and variable expenses for clarity. Now, compare your total income to your total expenses. Identify any areas where your spending exceeds your income. Create a budget plan to address these discrepancies. Start by reducing discretionary spending. Look for areas like dining out or entertainment. Set limits on these categories in your budget. Next, prioritize saving. Aim to allocate a portion of your income to savings each month. Consider setting up an automatic transfer to your savings account. This ensures you pay yourself first. After establishing your budget, monitor your spending. Use budgeting apps or spreadsheets for easy tracking. Review your expenses regularly. Adjust your budget as necessary. Revisit your financial goals periodically. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.